Good morning, students. Welcome to today's session. I hope every one of you understood what and all we have seen under the topic coordinate geometry, and I hope every one of you are able to do different kind of sums under the topic coordinate geometry. And today we are going to see a new lesson, that is chapter number 3. The title of this lesson is Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. So in your lower section, up to 9th standard, you have seen, so what is a linear equation and what is a linear equation with one variable and two variable, everything. And here you are going to see a pair of linear equations in two variable. And how can we solve them? So solve means we have to find out the value of the variable which are involving in the given equations, right? And here the general form of a pair of linear equation is nothing but these two only, right? These two are linear equations, already know that. So how can we say whether given equation is linear or not? Absolutely the power of the variable. Okay, if the power of the variable is 1, means that particular equation is said to be a linear equation. So here these two are a linear equation in two variables. Okay, so pair of linear equation, that is two equations they are given at a time here. So we are going to solve these two equations in different methods. That's it. So the content of the lesson is nothing but how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables. That's all. The problem may be in different format. It may be word problem. It may be directly given equations. We have to solve them. Okay. So the problem may be different form. Whatever it is, we are going to solve a linear equation, a pair of linear equation. That's it. That means we are going to find out the value of the unknown variables, right? So here a1, a2, b, that is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, everything are real numbers. Okay. And solving a pair of linear equation. So here two methods are available. That is, these are the two sections of our lesson. One is algebraic method and another one graphical method. However, we are going to solve a pair of linear equations using these two methods only. So your chapter contains two sections. The first section is algebraic method and second section is graphical method. How can we solve a pair of linear equation using these two methods? Okay, let us see one by one. So first one, algebraic method. Under algebraic method, three methods are available for solving a linear equation, a pair of linear equation. So one is substitution method, and second one elimination method, and third one cross multiplication method. So these three methods are very useful to solve a pair of given linear equations, right? So let us see the first method, that is substitution method now. Okay, so look at the example. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Okay, so x plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 9. So we are going to solve this pair of linear equation by using substitution method. Okay, so look at the solution video now. Right, now we are going to solve these two equations by using substitution method. Okay, so let us take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So substitution method. So how can we solve these two equations through the substitution method? So take either equation 1 or 2 and find out the value of any one of the variable, either x or y, and then substitute the value of that particular variable into another equation. Okay, so that is the process. So first I am going to take equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1, that is x plus y equal to 5. So here I am going to find out the value of y now. So y equal to, so 5, so bring it, that x into right hand side, it will become minus 6. So now that is the value of y in terms of x. Now I am going to replace the y value in equation number 2, right? So equation 2 implies, so x minus y equal to 9 is there. Now I am going to substitute the value of y, that is as 5 minus x equal to 9. So why I put bracket here means two terms are there followed with a minus. That's why. Okay, so wherever two or more terms followed with a minus symbol, we are put that is inside the bracket only. Okay, so x. So now multiply minus inside. For this purpose only, I have to put the bracket here. So it will become x minus 5 and minus into minus plus x equal to 9. Now add the variables. So here, so x plus x 2x minus 5 equal to 9. Now that is a linear equation with one variable. Now it is possible to find out the value of the variable x. Therefore 2x equal to 9 and bring that 5 that side, it will become plus 5. So 2x equal to 9 plus 5, 14. Therefore x equal to 14 by 2. So equal to 7. So the value of x is nothing but 7 now. Next, I am going to find out the value of y. So substitute the value of x in either of these equations 1 and 2. Right? So let us take equation number 1, that is x plus y equal to 5. Now substitute the value of x here. So 7 plus y equal to 5. Therefore y equal to 5, and bring that 7 left to the right hand side will become minus 7. So y equal to minus 2. So now that is the value of y. Right? So the value of x is 7, the value of y is minus 2. If you want to verify your solution, is it right or wrong, that is substitute the values in any one of the equation and check whether it is balanced or not. Okay, so now we found the value of x equal to 7 and y equal to minus 2. What is equation number 2? That is equation number 2 is nothing but x minus y equal to 9. So now substitute and then check whether it is balanced or not. So x value we found 7 and minus y value minus 2. So equal to, so what happened? So 7 minus into minus plus 2 equal to 9. Now what about the right hand side of this equation of 9 only? So our answer also 9. Therefore for verification purpose we can use this process. Okay. Right, look at the next example. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. That is 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and 5x plus 4y equal to 6. So this one also a pair of linear equation, two variables. So we are going to solve this by using substitution method. Okay. So let us see the solution video now. Right. So here now I am going to solve this equation by using substitution method. So for that you can choose any one of the equation and you have to find out the value of any one of the variable and then substitute that in another equation and you have to find out the value of the particular variable. Okay, that is the procedure. So in the last equation, that is the last example, I took equation number 1 and I found the value of y and I substituted in the next equation number 2 and I found the value of x. So here I'm going to take equation number 2. From that I'm going to find out the value of any one of the variable. Okay. So I took equation number 2 now. That is 5x plus 4y equal to 6. So what we have here, 4y value. So 4y equal to 6. So it will become minus 5x. Therefore y equal to 6 minus 5x whole divided by 4. Now that is the value of the variable y. Now substitute this value in equation number 1. Right? So 1 implies, so 2x plus 3y equal to 8 is there. Okay, now instead of y, substitute value here. So 2x plus 3 into, so instead of y, so 6 minus 5x by 4 equal to 8. Right? So 2x plus, so now multiply 3 inside the bracket. So 6 3s are 18 minus 3 5s are 15, x divided by 4 equal to 8. So now here the first term 2x is there, in second term it is a partial term. So take LCM. So LCM is for, or make a cross multiplication. If you make a cross multiplication means it will become 8x plus 18 minus 15x whole divided by 4 equal to 8. So left hand side how many terms are there? Only one term is there, one numerator and one denominator. Now make the denominator, that is make a cross multiplication of the denominator with the right hand side term. So it will become 8x plus 18 minus 15x equal to, so 8 to 32. Now it becomes an equation with only one variable. Now simplify this. So if you that simplify these two terms, that is like terms, we will get minus 7x plus 18 equal to 32. Right? Therefore minus 7x equal to 32, and if you transpose 18 that side, it will become minus 18. So minus 7x equal to, if you subtract, will get, that is 14. Right? Therefore x equal to 14 by minus 7. If you simplify this means you will get minus 2. The value of x is minus 2. So after getting any one of the value of variable, you can substitute this in either equation 1 or 2. Now I'm going to take equation number 1. You can substitute either of the equation. Okay. So 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Now substitute the value of x here. So 2 into minus 2 plus 3y equal to 8. Right, now simplify this. So minus 4 plus 3y equal to 8. Therefore 3y equal to 8. It will become here plus 4. So 3y equal to 12, which implies y equal to 12 by 3, so equal to 4. So the value of y is nothing but 4. So now we found x value minus 2 and y value 4. If you want to verify these two answers, that is, this answer is right or wrong, it is enough to substitute and check whether it is balanced or not in any one of the equation. Okay. Now I'm going to take any one of the equation, that is for verification alone. Okay, so verification. So for verification, I'm going to take equation number 1, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 8 is there. Now check whether it balanced or not by substituting x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 4. So 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 4 equal to, now if you multiply, it will become minus 4, and if you multiply these two, it will become 4 to 12, and if you subtract, you get 8, and here also 8 is there, so it is balanced. Therefore, our solution is right. Right. Look at the next example. That is next example under elimination method. Okay, substitution method over. So how to solve the pair of linear equation using elimination method? So look at this example. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method. So this question already we have solved using substitution method. And how can we solve the same thing by using elimination method? Right. So look at the solution video now. Right. Now I'm going to solve these two equations by using elimination method. So how can you apply elimination method? First you have to first you have to eliminate any one of the variable either x or y, and then you have to find out the value of another variable, and then substitute the value of the another variable in any one of the equation. We will get the value of the remaining variable. That is the procedure. So here how can you eliminate? Suppose if you want to eliminate the value of x means they will have same coefficient, at the same time they have same sign. Okay, so look at here. Suppose if you want to eliminate the variable x means first check whether they have the same coefficient or not. So what is the coefficient of x in both of the equations? So here also 1, here also 1. Right. Now both have same sign or not? Yes. So if you want to cancel the variable x means it is enough to subtract equation 2 from 1. Right. Now I am going to subtract the equation. Suppose they have the same sign means, suppose they have a different sign means instead of subtraction you can add it. Okay, because same sign have any two numbers having the same sign means while we are subtracting only we get 0. Suppose two numbers having different sign means when we add them we'll get 0. Okay, so here they have the same sign, so it is enough to subtract it from equation 1 and equation 2 here, right? So I'm going to subtract these two equations because they have the same variable, that is same sign, that's why. So when we subtract, just change the sign of the down expression. So here x having plus, so it will become minus, and y having minus, it will become plus, and 9 having plus, it will become minus. So when we subtract it, so plus 6 minus 8 cancel each other. And after changing sign, we can consider that sign only now. So here plus y, also plus y. The coefficient here plus 1, also plus 1. So it become 2y. So equal to here 5 minus 9. So minus 4. So y equal to minus 4 by 2. So y equal to, so when we cancel these two, we get minus 2. So that is the value of y. And next we are going to find out the value of x. So it is enough to substitute this value in any one of the equation 1 and 2. Okay, if you take equation number 1 means, so x plus y equal to 5. Now substitute the value of y here. So x plus minus 2 equal to 5, and x plus into minus 2 equal to 5. Therefore x equal to 5, so it will become plus 2. Therefore x equal to 5 plus 2 7. So the value of x is nothing but 7, the value of y is nothing but minus 2.
So in substitution method also we found the same values.
Okay, let us continue the next sum in the next video.